How to create these amazing YouTube shorts in just few minutes. So you can create multiple shorts by using ChatGPT and by using Canva. So let me show you the short I have used this method to create. As you can see, I posted these shorts recently. I think this is the first one I posted, got 549 views, and this one 428 views, and these shorts are still counting. So you can create multiple shorts with this simple technique on by using ChatGPT and Canva. All right, so let's get right into it. So what we're going to do first is to go over to ChatGPT. What we need to do is to go over to ChatGPT and generate our short content, right? So you can see that these shorts are facts about food, fact about the USA, workout, science fact, and the like. So you can generate literally anything, right? So let's go over to ChatGPT right now. So look at this prompt: create me 20 sets of facts and format them in a table where one column is the topic, one column is the part 1, and one column is the part 2. All right, do not repeat any fact. So you can pause this video and go over this prompt. Don't forget, I'm going to leave this prompt in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. All right, so ChatGPT will generate our content for us. So let's click on enter. Wow, as you can see, our content is generating already. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss amazing video like this. Okay, wow, this is so fast. So basically what ChatGPT is generating for us are various misconceptions, right, about our space. Okay, so you can see the first one, it generates misconception about space. Space is completely empty. Then the part 2 says space contains particle radiation, and that is, space is not really completely empty. So it's just generating some misconceptions about space for us. And you can see that it also format them in topic, style, part 1 and part 2, because this is what we are going to use in our Canva in order to present our shorts perfectly. So our short is being generated already. So go over to here and just copy everything here. I believe you know how to copy. All right, so don't copy this last part, just copy this one. Control C. Then we go over to Canva. So when you get to Canva, just on the search bar here, just type YouTube shorts. Okay, so pick this one, YouTube shorts. Oh wow, so you can see our template is generated, but what I will need you to do is to click on this blank YouTube short so that you can create yours from scratch. However, you can check through this template to see the one that resonates with what you actually want to create. So some are pro plan, some are free. Okay, so click on create blank. All right, we are here now. So our content basically talks about space, right? So we would like to use a background, right, that will actually look like the one you've seen in the intro of this video. So let's go over to apps. Okay, so when you get to apps, just click on, we are coming to this bulk create, right? So click on video. So here we want to find a perfect background for our short. If you are into the if you want to create a short about the motivation, so you can just type anything here, maybe like ocean, right? You can type ocean, you can type a sunset. It depends on what you want to create, but me, I want to type space. So let's see if we'll get some cool images about space. Wow, 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 wow. You can see this is the one I used in the intro of this video. I loved it perfectly. Okay, so you click on it, and then it's going to drop immediately into your canvas. Please, I need you to follow this process. It's very simple. I just don't know why people are not utilizing this. Now I need to say something, right? Because this feature is only available in the pro plan of Canva. So you must have a Canva pro plan in order to use this feature perfectly, because you might not be able to see the bulk create feature if you are using the free version of Canva. And it's very simple. You can just sign up for the free trial for 1 month. So after 1 month, they'll be charging you just, I think, 2,600 thereafter. So but for this tutorial, you can be able to just sign up for Canva Pro. Then the next month is when they will be charging you. But this current month that you signed up, they won't charge you anything. All right, so let's go over it. Right, so you can see this video I chose is just 15 seconds. So I would like to reduce it to 7 seconds. That is both the part 1 and the part 2 of this code, rather, yes, will be just 7 seconds. So the part 1 might take 4 seconds, and while the part 2 will take 3 seconds. So now what we want to do now is to bring in our text. Click on text, click on add heading. All right, add heading. So you will name this topic, or mistake, topic. You move it up. Now you need to be able to do what I'm trying to do. Okay, so let's format this first. Click on effects. I like it to have a background. I think white background is better. Let me change this to white background. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, so the font size, I think is too big. Let me reduce it to like 90. Okay, 90 is okay. All right, so what we need to do now is that just put your cursor here at the right border here, and drag to the right until you see a pink line. Can you see that? So this is where you will drag it to, so that your text, right, yes, will not be going outside the border. It's too far. All right, so that's it. So what I need to do next is to duplicate this. Oh, I made a mistake. Let me delete this. I wanted to duplicate this text. So duplicate the text and then bring it down here, so that you can use this for your part 1 and part 2. So let me change this to part 1. Okay, and then you duplicate it again. Make this part 2. Okay, so you right click on part 1, and click on show timing. So you come down here and you drag, let this timing be like 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Okay, and then come over to part 2. and let part 2 be like 3 seconds. So part 2 will cover the remaining part of the short. Okay, that is 3. So total is what, 7 seconds. So the reason why this part 2 is shorter is because you would like to make your viewers to watch your video over and over again, right? So if you put the part 2 if you put the seconds of the part 2 to be shorter, right, so the viewer might not be able to get what the concluding part of the quote is talking about. So they might want to go back again and get what the second part is talking about. So with that, it's actually increasing retention for your channel. All right, so what we want to do now is I think let's reduce the text size. It's too big. Let's change it to like maybe it's not like maybe 50 or 40. Let me just click 40. 40 is too short. Let's make it 50. Okay, and then this, let's make it also 50. All right. Okay, so this topic, let's make this let's say 70. Okay. All right, so next thing now we need to do is to enter our data and link this our parts to each of the data. So click on enter data data manually. How do I got it? So I was in app. You click on create. You see, that is how I got it. So click on enter data manually, and you see I've already pasted it here, but you can just clear table. Click on clear table, click this and paste your text. Right, click on done. When you click on done, so this topic will be linked to this. If you right click now and click on connect data, you see topic has already been connected. I connected it initially, so you can still of course click on it. Okay, if you click on it, you see it to go out. So I'm just trying to show you the basics. So topic, then part 1 is already connected. You see part 1 is connected, and then part 2 is already connected. Okay, so that's all. So all we need to do now is to bring this part 2 over to part 1. I don't know if you've put okay, we've put animation. Okay, we've add some animation. Okay, so let's bring this part 2. Let this make this part 2 over to part 1. Okay, so now let's click on part 2 is not connected. Okay, part 2 is not connected. Let's connect part 2 to a data. Part 2 is connected. All right, so click on continue. You can see these are the quotes, and then you will click on generate 20 designs. So our shot is generated already, so this is so perfect. So let's play it a little bit. Wow. The first and then the second will come in. So this is it, guys. This is how you can create multiple shots in few minutes. You can see it has already created 20 for us. So if you want to create 50, you can go ahead, 70, 100, but I tell you there is no limit to this. So you can then, if you want, to change the background individually just to your taste, but I've shown you how you can create this short. So I really hope you will enjoy this video. Please support this channel, right, by like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss any amazing offer like this. Okay, so guys, the next thing to do is to download our short. So let's rename it. You can name it anything. You can name it anything. Let's say short. Okay, so just come over to share here. Come over to share, then you click on download. So this is very important. Make sure you click on download pages as separate files. So this will download the short in a separate folder. Sorry, in a, yeah, of course, in a separate file. So it's going to the download is going to zip up the folder zip up the file inside one folder. So when you click it and then you click on download. So that is it, guys. I hope you follow me to this very end, and I'm really glad you did. So make sure you like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss any amazing offer that I have for you. Alright, thank you. Make sure you click on the video popping up on your screen right now so that you will watch the next video. Alright, thanks for watching.